I'm so torn what I want to do, because I actually was planning a little bit of a last moment decision. I had a small break in between my French Alps trip, where I met up with my partner for a long week, and we rode a bit of everything. Here's a little impression of our adventures riding in the French and Italian mountains. So, welcome back. It is Saturday the 16th of September. We both agreed that the whole off-roading is giving the trip such an extra dimension, and we're both like, why didn't we do this sooner? Why didn't we start earlier? But yeah, never too late for anything. I'm gonna end this day with some packing, charging everything, and replying a lot of emails. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna prepare some dinner in an hour. Without further ado, have a good night, and I'll see you in the morning. So yeah. Good morning, welcome back. It feels nice to be back on the road, even though it's been 3 days, but still. We've seen lots of dust, and I had to pick up the bike on some occasions, but had so much fun. I learned so much by just doing, and that is something I need to be doing more. Let's see what I'm seeing. First hairpins of the day are coming up. Via the small and winding Col du Tamier and some other great roads, I slowly made my way to the Lake of Annecy, where the crystal clear water and the mountainous backdrop welcomes many lovers of nature. I'm now riding on the road that's above the lake. And this is also Port de la Forclaz, which I kind of forgot it was on here. Can you tell that it's a Sunday? Man, oh man. This is why I try to stay away from any pass on the weekends. That was behind me for a very long time. Let's see. There should be a panoramic view somewhere here. After not even getting to the viewpoint because it was so crowded, I decided to turn around. I thought it would be a very nice place to have the drone up, but it was so crowded and all these electric power lines hanging everywhere. I bailed out. I was like, yep, okay, that was good enough for me. I'm getting a little bit hungry. It's almost 12. But I keep forgetting that not everything here is open on Sundays. Oh, there is a beautiful car behind me. Maybe I can get up close a little bit and see what the model name is. Super 91? Maybe now Super 90? Super 90. Okay, cool. Only 3 kilometers to the summit. That is pretty quick, actually. Ooh, and it's really windy here. Okay, maybe no drone. I think it will fly away. Looks pretty familiar. Toilets, bistro. I think I have been here. These cows. Yep, I have been here. Wow, okay. I recognize this small chapel with the cows. Now, if you can look a bit through the whole touristic bits, then it's actually a really nice pass. I wanted to show you this. It's like a big pond, but I don't think it's allowed to fish in here. I think it's a bit hard to see, but there are fish swimming everywhere, just after all the bars and restaurants. And while some ladies had some beef, other ones were chilling in front of the Mont Blanc. I probably shouldn't be saying this, but I really start to dislike the weekends and riding on them, because I just really don't like that everyone is so hurried and it's just too much of rushing and people not giving each other space, and yeah, not a fan. let's find a nice lunch spot, because I still haven't found one where I can sit in ease and eat my sandwich. Okay, I'll take it. I have no idea where I'm gonna end up, but should be good.
I quickly checked my pin locations to see if I had any interesting destinations nearby, and I spotted this small aerodrome near Megève, and I decided to roll with it.
Feels a little like a mix between Swiss and Italy here. Green grasses and the chalet, and then you have the rugged, almost kind of Dolomites. A little bit more gray, but oh. Ah, here it is. Yeah, this is it. Oh, cool. Nearby where I grew up, in Hilversum, of all places. I bet no one's like, oh yeah, there, yeah. But we had a small airport as well, with only like these kind of small planes and floating airplanes without an engine. I don't know what the name is, but so yeah, that's cool.
I thought about sitting myself down on a terrace here and order a drink, but then I spotted an even better place to my right.
Okay, so I'm a little bit torn between what I'm gonna do the next couple of days. I have to be in Bern on the 20th. It is now the 17th. There's basically one pass left in the French Alps, which is the Colombière. I have two others pinned right above it, but it's gonna be really bad weather, and I'm so torn what I want to do, because I actually was planning a little bit of a last moment decision to also make a short series of the Swiss Alps. I love Switzerland. Okay, but now I am just gonna ride to the Colombière col. I cannot make up my mind. It's annoying. I think it's already started raining there. Let's see. Was the detour to Megève and the Altport worth it? I don't know. I bet that if you take one of those plane rides, which costs between, let's say, 80, 120 and 200 euros, depending how long you want to be in the airplane, then yeah, maybe it's worth going there. I had a nice lunch spot, I had some lovely sunshine on my face, but now I'm going back via the ARAVIS col. Got this feeling like I'm just riding around without purpose or without knowing what I want to do. I feel a little bit lost today and I cannot put my finger on it. Okay, my indecisive brain decided that I'm going to ride over the Colombière col and find a campsite after that. Now tomorrow should be 50% chance of rain all day. So I think I will take a slow day again. Don't know why, but I just feel my whole body is just bleh, drained of energy. So I think one resting day was not enough. But yeah, so that's the plan. It is somewhat more quiet here. I have been rushed down all day. Now if there's one thing I just simply don't like, it's that other bikers are around here, like pushing you and ugh. Let's find a sign and a place to stop. And I need somewhere to put a sticker again. I thought I would have run out of stickers by now, but I had, I think, 60 with me. I see some stickers that I've seen before. That should do it. I think I will ride up there, maybe. Okay, it's gonna be a late one today. It's still half an hour, 45 minutes to a place where there are multiple campsites. Now I have food with me, I have everything basically. I just need a place to sleep. I have slept in all kinds of things, a tent, a pot, a hotel room, a B&B, an auberge, and on average, like hotels are maybe 70, 80 euros. auberge is between 30 and 60 and, you know, 10, 15 euro. One of the cabins I was in was 34, which was a really nice price. So it's a little bit of everything. And then all of a sudden there's Mont Blanc. That's right, because I am close to Chamonix, where I will be crossing the border with Swiss. That I have decided. The rest, I have no idea. Yeah, I am done for today. Long day. A lot of indecisiveness. Is that a word? Let's make it a word. Well, the campsite I had in mind feels like I am entering some prison. So, yeah. Because this feels a little creepy, to be honest. I will just try the one that I passed before. It looked nicer than it really is. Okay. Reception. Why does everything look so deserted? No one here. So, I will just continue. This is gonna be a really long night because it's now 6:30. I will ride another half hour. I will go to Camping Les Marmottes. Now, if that one doesn't have space, it's open till the end of September. I checked. I'm gonna put on some music. Did I charge it? There is the button. Start! Woohoo! Now I don't wanna brag, but look where I'm staying this night. And tomorrow. That is the Mont Blanc. I think I will sleep outside tonight. What a view, man. I have to admit, this makes up for everything today. I had no hopes that I would find a campsite or wherever I was going to sleep. But this has gotten to be the best option, I think. Tomorrow is going to be pretty bad weather. Now I am gonna check if I can find a way to go up the Mont Blanc, if the lift is open, etc. It is now, I don't even know the time. It is 8:15. I think that says all you need to know about how long my day was since I've been on the road. Almost 11 hours. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of today. Despite all my nagging, I am very sorry. Hope to see you in the next one. Where that will be, I have no idea. I don't know if there is 1 or maybe 2 more episodes of the French Alps trips, but I'm kind of leaving the French Alps now. So maybe it's the start of a new series, who knows. And I still got 4 weeks ahead of me. Swiss, Italy and Sardinia, and then yeah, let's find out if I have some time to document everything like I did now, without planning, without anything. So good night, and I'll see you hopefully in my next episodes. I don't know yet. Who knows?